I don't pay the school fees. If like you are not paying the school fees, have you ever paid any school fee for anybody here?
I have not paid.
It's not because that is traveling, because that is traveling because you are doing this rubbish.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Can I take this biscuit? You tell me that you just take your shit, I will not go to school. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
You see yourself on internet.
Mommy. It's me now. What concern me? Are you paying anybody? Have you ever paid anybody to anything for anybody here?
No, I have not.
I'll pay for me. Pay which school fees? Yes. If you are paying your then tell her to pay this time now. Tell mom to pay your school fees this time now. Because it's that I don't pay the school fees, that's why. I don't blame you.
Mom, should be used to pay for my party car. Mom, should be pay for my school.
Who's paying for the party car? It's not the school that's asking for the party car. Who paid for the school fees for the party car? The books, this house, who built it? Who paid for this house? It's not daddy. No, did you not contribute any shishi?
Okay, I have not paid your school fees.
That was your fucking business.
Okay.
The school fees that you paid, are you not supposed to pay everything? Did you pay everything? No. It's only once. We have ever paid my school fees in once, just once.